Harnessing the sun's power demands precision and safety. Today, we'll take you through professional solar panel installation and testing, along with lightning-arrested protection, ensuring uninterrupted, reliable energy. We begin with site preparation. Mounting structures are aligned for the best sunlight angle and securely fixed to withstand wind and weather conditions. Stability is the foundation of performance. Panels are carefully positioned and fixed. High-quality DC cabling with weatherproof connectors is used for durability. Proper earthing and cable routing minimize energy loss and enhance safety. Every building and energy system needs protection from nature's most powerful force, lightning. Here's how we install and test a professional lightning protection system for complete safety. The lightning arrestor, or air terminal, is mounted at the highest point of the structure. Its placement ensures that any strike is safely intercepted before it can reach the building or equipment. A heavy-duty copper or aluminum conductor is connected from the arrestor down to the ground. It leads to an earthing pit, where the surge is harmlessly dissipated into the soil. The system is thoroughly tested. We measure earth resistance, check continuity, and verify all connections to ensure the path is secure for any potential lightning surge. Once tested and certified, the system provides round-the-clock protection, meeting both safety and regulatory standards. The panels are connected to the inverter, converting DC to AC power, and integrated with the main grid. Every connection is tested for voltage, current, and insulation integrity, ensuring optimal performance. Panels are securely placed on the mounts. Each module is carefully connected using high-quality DC cabling and MC4 connectors. Proper earthing and cable management prevent energy losses and enhance system safety. Real-time monitoring systems are set up to track energy generation and performance, allowing for proactive maintenance and maximum uptime. With precise installation and rigorous testing, your solar system is ready to deliver clean, reliable energy for years to come. With robust installation, thorough testing, and lightning protection, your solar power system is built for safe, clean energy for years to come.